What is up, guys? Welcome back to MT Bass Attack. Got a good one lined up for today. I found a creek in Ringgold. I believe it's South Chickamauga Creek. I may be wrong. But I seen a video posted by Creek Fishing Adventures fishing here, and he was catching rock bass spots in one big crappie. So I'm excited about checking it out. I've never fished here before. But stay tuned, see you out there. Let's go fishing. You guys can see it, but there's a deer right there. There he goes. Okay, so I made it down here. I'll probably have to wait a little bit today. I hope not too much, because it is pretty cold. So I'm starting out with a little Ned bug made by Strike King. Oh, I had one. That's a solid bite too. Hooked up. Oh. Looks like a little rock bass. Oh, he spit it. No. Got him. Oh, he is freezing cold. Choked it. Nice little rock bass. Alright, so I had a little rain shower there for a minute. There's one. Nice little rock bass. Good. Here's a fish. Wow, he bit it super soft. Another rock bass. Just a little guy. Oh, he's got some cool colors on him. Pretty little guy. Alright, so I ran out of Ned heads, so I switched up to a finesse jig, the little Z-Man bug trailer. It just looks yummy. There we go. little rock bass. These have some cool colors on them. Now, one thing I've noticed through the years about creek bass and sunfish and stuff like that, they actually love a good little presentation. Like if you throw it in that current and just let it kind of float for a minute, sometimes, well, a lot of the time, they will hammer it on the fall because they're used to just feeding off of things that come through the current. So let's see if I can get a fish from way up here. Oh, there's one. Oh, no way. It's a little crappie. Wow, he's beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Oh, I had one. Right here in front of me. More than likely hit it again. Yep, there he is. Oh, that's a decent little rock bass. These guys are fun. This is actually a little nature walk bridge. Just going through downtown Ringgold. I already seen a deer. Caught a couple of rock bass and a crappie. It's not a bad little spot. There we go. Little rock bass. Right here at the waterfall, there's a little pool. Right here. Oh, he spit it. That's tightening up my drag. There it is. Another rock bass. That jig's getting them today. Well, I'm hooked up. I didn't even know. Oh, this is a lot better rock bass. Good little rock bass right there. These guys are so pretty. Alright, so I made it back to the truck. That was fun. That really was fun. I had fun catching rock bass and that one crappie. That was a surprise. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I did, other than those little rain showers, but they weren't that bad. But hit that subscribe and like button. I greatly appreciate it. Channel is slowly growing. Super excited about everything. And see you next time. Till then, keep on fishing.